altogether is 1,240 acres, which is about 500 hectares. First thing, I guess, one use that isn't allowed is mining. The property did have active mining rights on it, so we bought the mining rights so that a mine won't be happening and exploring and so on won't be happening, mineral sampling. Logging won't be allowed, cutting vegetation down, trees, that kind of thing, not allowed. Overnight camping is not allowed. Basically, because we don't have the facilities to do that. Hunting is not allowed on the property. It's within the municipality of Terrace Bay. So I'm not sure if they already have a municipal bylaw that says you can't hunt within the municipal boundary, or if we will need to post some signs. So some way or other, we're going to have to make sure that it's clear that it isn't allowed. The other area of concern may be snowmobiling, ATVing. The trail that goes in presently along the shore isn't suitable for that anyway. It's very rugged with sort of some large cliffs and boulders and things, and there's also an adjacent trail on the other side of the highway paralleling it, so maybe we'll encourage the use of the trail on the other side by snow machines, since there are two trails there. It runs along just at the edge of the highway, which I believe is on our property, at least partly. I think maybe some people are still using the old trail. We found a bunch of garbage dumped in there. So people have been in there, so we may need to post it, and certainly we'll take down the existing signs. The old OFSC trail signs are still up there. We haven't actually bought the thing yet, so we can't put up signs yet, but we do have some orange-colored signs that we've put up at some of our other reserves. I think we'll likely post one of those at the entrance to the trail so that people realize that they're just entering our property. But other than that, I don't think we have anything very elaborate